Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. So today we have Salesforce Inc. and their ticker symbol is CRM, and we are on the daily chart. So for Salesforce, we don't have so much as far for Salesforce. We just basically have either they are gonna be giving me some sort of signs for bearish momentum at this $185 mark, or if they end up breaking that more towards the 192, then I would like to see like at least a little bit of a retest and then continue going higher towards that 200 mark. At this point in time, I mean, they're just basically ranging between these two areas here. So we have that area and we have this area that basically is just ranging right now. So this is why, like, if it's gonna show me anything, because the trend is going bearish, I'm more inclined to look for sells at this point. I don't want to just look for buys up here just because. No, I want to see a clear indication of this area being broken and then continue going. Now, if we do get something where it actually ends up like coming all the way down, breaking, and then possibly giving us another opportunity downward, then hey, we might get that too. But let's see how it goes, and then we'll take it from there. So again, for those that are new, please please subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions about any charts or anything you'd like for me to mark up or anything like that, please feel free to leave the words TDA in the comment section with whatever stock or whatever instrument you would like for me to go ahead and mark up. I mean, I cover a real large market, whether it be stocks, crypto, futures, forex, any stocks, anything like that. Anything with a Japanese candlestick, I can go ahead and mark up. But with that being said, thank you to everyone who's watching, everyone who's tuning in, everyone who's liking the channel. You make me feel like I'm doing a good job, and I greatly appreciate all your efforts and watching and engaging. That's what I was looking for, engaging in the content. So thank you, and I hope you have a great and profitable week, and many blessings to you. Thank you. Have a good one.